Students, I have posted a worksheet in Maths to find the factors, prime factors and LCMs of given numbers. So if you click here, you see here, if I click it here, I will get a worksheet. So in this worksheet, you can see I have given some problems to find the factors, and in the second worksheet I have given some problems to find the prime factors. First I will tell you how to find the factors for a given number. Here you see what is the first question here. First question is find the factors for the number 117. So factors means in which table 117 we get it. You see I can write 1 into 117. So 1 is a factor of every number, we know it. Therefore 1 into 117. Next check whether 117 is divisible by 2 or not. So 171 is an odd number. Therefore it is not divisible by 2. Therefore 2 is not a factor. Now let us check whether 3 is a factor for 117. To check whether 3 is a factor, you add these three numbers. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. If the sum of the numbers are divisible by 3, then this whole number is divisible by 3. So therefore, if I divide this number 117 by 3, 3 3s are 9. So 11 minus 9 is what? 2. 27. So 3 9s are 27. The remainder is 0. Therefore, I can write 117 as 3 into 39. So 3 into 39. So again, it is not a factor of 4 table. In 4 tables, we don't get what? 117. So it is not a multiple of 5 also. Why? Because it is not ending with 5 or what? 0. So is it a multiple of 6? No. Why it is not a multiple of 6? Because it is not a factor of what? 2 and 3. If it is a factor of 3 and 2, then it is a factor of what? 6. For 7, it is not a factor. You check it. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 47. 7 sevens are 49. Therefore, it is not possible. So, it is not a factor of 7. So, like this, if you go on checking with each table, here I will tell you one hint you see here. So, earlier we got 117 is equal to 3 into 39. We can write 39 as 3 into 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is. So 13 3s are 39. Therefore, I can write it as 9 into 13. So the next possible number is what? 9 into 13 is a factor of what? 117. So after 9, it is not a factor of 10, 11, 12. Again, I can write it as what? 13 into 9. What is 13 9s are? 117. Here I will give you a hint, you see. So from the beginning we have been writing the factors 1 into 117, 3 into 39, 9 into 13. At one stage I will get the factors interchanged. See here 9 into 13, the next one is what? 13 into 9. So after that just write this in the reverse order. So next factor will be what? 39 into 3. The next factor will be what? 107 into 1. Therefore these numbers all put together are called as what? Factors of 117. Therefore, factors of 117 are, what are they? 1, 3, 9, 13, 39, 117. So these are all factors, means in these tables we will get what? The result 117. Suppose you are asked write the prime factors. What is the difference between factors and prime factors? You see here. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. So what is a prime number? The number which has only two factors. One and itself is called as what? Prime number. So, if you are asked to write the prime factors for 117, how you have to do? I will explain here, you see. So, write 117. First check with the prime number 2. So, is this an even number? It is not an even number. So, therefore, it is not divisible by 2. So, next you check it with 3. You see, 3 3s are 9. How I am doing? You see, So first there is only one number. So 1 is less than 3. So I have to take how many numbers? 2 numbers. So 3 3s are 9. What is 11 minus 9? 2. So next is what? 27. So 3 9s are 27. Did you understand how I have written this one? So this is a method of dividing. You see, actually if you divide it with 3, you will get what? 3 3s are 9, 27, 3 9s are 27. So this I have done directly. 3 39s are 170. Next, again this number is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So is this number divisible by next prime number? Check it. After 3, what is there? 5. 5 it is not divisible. 7 not divisible. 11 not divisible. 13 divisible. So 13 ones are 13. Therefore the prime factors of 117 are, what are they? 3 into 3 into 13. So these are called as what? Prime factors. Prime factors means the factors must be only prime numbers. Or I will do one more example for you. You see here. I will take here the next example, 56. This is the third question for us here. So in this one, take the number 56. What are the factors for 56 means what you must do? So one table, 156 are 56. Is it divisible by 2? 56 is a what number? Even number. So therefore, if you divide 56 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 16. So therefore you get what? 2 into 28 is what? 56. Is this divisible by 3? 5 plus 6 is how much? 11. It is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? Yes. 14 4s are how much? 56. Next, 5 table, it doesn't go. 6 table also, 56 we don't get. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 8 7s are also 56. Now earlier problem I told, while writing the factors in this way, if at any place if you see there is an interchange of these factors, then from that onwards you just reverse it and write all the other factors. So here 7 8s are 56, next one is what? 8 7s are 56. Therefore next you can write it as what? 14 4s are 56, 28 2s are 56, 56 1s are 56. Therefore what are the factors for 56 means? It is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. So these are the factors of 56. Like this, what are the prime factors? What are the prime factors? What are the prime factors for 56 means what you must do? What are the prime numbers I told you? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. So now from these numbers, first check whether this is divisible by 2. Yes, it is. 2 2s are 4. Keep 4 here. What is our remainder? 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 2 into 28 is what? 56. 2 14s are what? 28. 2 7s are is what? 14. Again, next prime number is what? 3. This is not divisible. 5 it is not divisible. Next 7 it is divisible. So 7 1s are 7. Therefore the prime factors for 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So it is 2 cube into 7. We can write it in exponential form also. 2 cube into 7. So in this way, I have given 2 worksheets for you. In this first worksheet, you must do all these problems finding the factors. And the second worksheet, you can see, if you click this, you will get the second worksheet. So in the second worksheet, I have given problems to find what? The prime factors for the given numbers. So how to find the prime factors? So this is another set of worksheet. So for these questions, you have to find the prime factors. Next, I have given one more worksheet to find the LCM of given 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So what is LCM? LCM means to find the least common multiple for the given numbers. So LCM, this is for practice for all of you. All of you, first lesson you are having what? Real numbers. Therefore you can see. Now let us find the LCM for a simple number 5 and 7. So how will you find the LCM for 5 and 7? So first we will write the factors. So Is there any common factor for 5 and 7? What is common factor? Does these two numbers are having 2 as a factor? 2 table to potunda idi. 2 2s are 4. No. 2 3s are 6. So these two numbers are not having any common factor. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 7 are nothing but 5 into 7. So if they are not having any common factors, the LCM is the product result. So 5 7s are how much? 35. This is the LCM. Now see the next question here. You see 9, 12 and 3. 9, 12 and 3. So here 3 numbers are given and we have to find the LCM for these 3 numbers. So write these 3 numbers like this: 9, 12 and 3. Are these 3 numbers having common factors? You see, or I will write it in ascending order in this way: 3, 9 and 12. It is not necessary that you must write it in ascending order. For your better understanding, I am writing like this. See, are the 3 numbers having 2 as a common factor? No. Are they having 3 as a common factor? Yes. You see, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Next step you see here. Is there any common factor for these two numbers 3 and 4? There are no common factors. Therefore, the LCM is nothing but 3 into 1 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are how much? It is 36. Therefore, the LCM of these 3 numbers 9, 12, 13. 9, 12 and 3 is what? 36. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Like this way, you must complete a least common multiple. COMM, common multiple. Like this way, you have to complete all these worksheets. I have given answers also for your reference. Please go through the answers and submit the completed worksheets.